Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today, I'm gonna have this live trading session, and I'm gonna share with you my results with this turbo strategy for binary options and the methods that I'm gonna use to increase my balance with this today. And I read your comments and many asking me if I can record in another video with $10 to $10,000. To be that possible, I need to have extreme good luck. I need to have a great or amazing day again. It's not all the days we can make $10,000 per day with binary options. It's a hard work, and we need lucky. If you don't believe me, it's the truth. We need lucky to earn $10,000 with binary options because we can have around a few in the money, but somehow, somewhere, we are gonna lose our money. So for that reason, I decided recording this video after to request my withdrawal. And right now, I start with $100 that I leave in my balance, and I decided to trade with 100% of my balance. Why? Because I request my money. I don't want to trade risky a lot of money with all my whole money, right? So I decided recording a video with only $100 and to see how much money I can make trading with this turbo strategy for binary options. If you don't know what strategy I using right now, you can see my another videos, and we have the first profits today, $80. The first $80 I earned right now. Wish me good luck. Okay, guys, let's go to check it out. What strategy I'm gonna use, and it's the same strategy, the best strategy for binary options is working right now. And I'm gonna share with you a few tips, and the tips is I'm gonna use always the 3 moving average. The reference to know what direction or what type of trend we have is the moving average period 200. But another few tips with this strategy is when or where I'm gonna trade. If you notice these stronger red candles and the 200 moving average is below of the chart, so that means I don't want to trade, or I don't need to trade for a put. But I decided to take it this one, right? I decided to take it for a put with this one because I have a huge red candle here. So for that reason, I decided to take it again for a put. Doesn't matter if you have the 200 moving average below of the charts. So for that reason, I decided I take a risk and say I'm gonna trade for a put. And was a mistake because I don't change the hour and have it in 2 minutes, testing in another strategies. And right now, let's go to see how ending this turbo trading session. Remember, we are going to use 3 moving average, 1 period 60 is the color white, 1 period 8 color yellow, and 1 period 200. We are gonna trade, or I gonna trade for a put almost all the case. I gonna trade for a put in the moment the crossing the yellow, or when it's above the yellow moving average and crossing going down with the white moving average. And another reference I can have is if I have the 200 moving average below, it's gonna be a better enter for me. I explain right now why I taken that signals and why I decided doing this. But let's go to check it out right now. If I can have a good trading session with this turbo strategy for beginners. This is for beginners. For those are searching a good strategy for you. I use the broker pocket option, and I have the link below in this video if you want to open your demo account to test it in this strategy. I think is the better idea. You can do it. Test it before to invest your real money, and I hope so you can start earning your profits, your good dollars with this turbo strategy. So wish me good luck. I'm gonna leave it with this video. Let's go to see how much money I can earn. I'm gonna invest the 100% of my balance to see if it is possible to make a good trading session today. Let's rock. Okay, I feel with I don't know, the good feeling to continue with this trading session, but I know is my mind is lying to me. Maybe I can have a good one or maybe it doesn't. So if I trade with $1,000, I'm gonna lose everything. So I'm gonna decide stopping this trading session. I think it was a great result. So I'm gonna stop it right now before to make a huge mistake and losing my money. So this is this live trading session, how to start with $100 and how to earn $1,000 with pocket option and the short periods. Short periods with short trades with turbo strategies for beginners and for those who have a little more experience with binary options. So I hope this video can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, smash this video, and see you in the next one.